mahirap
yun muna. Kasi, kumaga with you, you've taken baby steps to improve eh. Don't jump the gun. Siyempre, iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang capacity. Tapos, iba-iba rin yung
kasi hindi ko po
progress.
siya nagamit.
Okay?
If she hits lower notes, nasusuka siya. Yung, hindi,
No. You're
need
probably pushing too much.
kasi po, hindi po siya lumalabas. Yung high notes po, madali. Pero yung, ang hirap.
Mahirap talaga yung middle range in her
Sa
condition.
kanya. Dahil po ba sa season?
Yeah, that's the handicap there. Although, you're able to connect better, it is not, kumbaga, a top form compared, like, for example, to hers. There is nothing. I hear
Ang
that.
hirap po talagang ilabas. Na parang may nakaharang po dito. Is there anything we could do? So,
Her breathing.
exercises.
Ipa-practice what empowers, yeah.